Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. BeQuiet's new keyboard has just been released, is the light mount. So let's open the box and find out more about it. Now included at the box we have the manual, the tool to remove the keycaps and the switches for the keycaps and the switches. I will show you. 1.5 meters detachable braided USB-A to USB-C cable. I like that. Good quality. And you can connect that here. Type-C. We have a modular magnetic palm rest for best ergonomics. Very soft. I like that. Magnets here. So easy. Very convenient. Remove. Nice. Is a full-size standard keyboard layout with a beautiful brushed aluminium top plate. I like this black color. Very durable. It doesn't bend. I like that. We have silicone pads at the four corners and here at the middle. Very soft. Folding feet with 3 angled positions. 1, 2, and another one, 3. I like how it closes. Even I like the texture at the bottom. LED lines here. I will show you how it looks when I will turn it on. ARGB LED bars at the top and on both sides for atmospheric lighting effects. And here BeQuiet logo. Here we have another 3 LEDs. Wow, just love it. Ultra quiet mechanical switches. Amazing sound. Wow. And the soft palm. We have an aluminium 3D media wheel. I like the sound. It controls the volume and you can press it to mute and unmute. And 5 macro or multimedia keys. There are. And what is inside the keyboard? Well, let's check. We have a total of 3 sound absorbing layers, ensure that the light mount lives up to the name of BeQuiet and its gaming session is running smoothly without annoying typing noise. We have a layer of foam between the top plate and PCB. A second layer of foam beneath the PCB. And the final layer of super thin sound absorbing silicone inside the bottom case. Nice! And same for this area. We have two types of switches. The silent linear orange switches with 45 grams actuation force provide smooth, fast and precise keystrokes. And the silent tactile black switches with 55 grams actuation force deliver the same speed and accuracy, but with a distinct. Both are pre-lubricated to reduce friction and noise. Fans of customization will appreciate that each switch is hot swappable with other 5-pin MX style switches. And to do that, well, it is very easy. Use this tool. So let's hear the differences. Are small, but I think I like more the orange. So let's remove again and install the orange. We have a high quality PBT double shot keycaps with translucent legends. Now let's switch it on and see how it looks. ARGB diffuser on each switch for bright and even per key illumination. You can reprogram keys, create macros, configure the lighting and more with the Be Quiet I/O Center software. There is the I/O Center. Let's see what adjustments we can do with the illumination. Static, color wave, you can change colors, and of course you can adjust the brightness, speed, direction. I like the illumination, it is amazing. Dual color, again you can change. And adjust the brightness, same adjustments, and the speed. Gradient, color, presets, and of course you can add, change, make some adjustments. Just love it. And you can choose tornado, direction, change the direction, breathing. Here you can change other colors. Choose your favorite colors. There are so many, millions adjustments. Reactive, as you are tapping, we can see the keypads how are changing color. Turn off, here the numpad. Turn on, we can see the LED. Caps lock, on, off. Matrix, wow. And again you can change, make the adjustment. Direction. I just love it. Static. Color wave again. I like the matrix. You can customize. Select key. Okay, this one. Static. Second. Wave, color wave. Another one. 3. Breathing. Another one. 4. Reactive. 5. Matrix. And we can see here the keys, how they are changing colors for each effect. General. Matrix again. Dynamic lighting. Dynamic lighting can be adjusted in the Windows settings linked below. Okay. General again. You can change profile, create a new profile. Key binding, remap, and we have in the key volume, mute and mute. You can go at the rotate right, wheel rotate right, default, media backlight disable, rotate left, or press. Default it is mute and mute. You can go media and play, pause. You can choose previous track, next track, or stop. So many adjustments, I love that. Or you can choose one of these keys, media, play, M2, media, next track, M3, media again, previous track, M4, media, stop. And here we have the mic mute M5. So many adjustments. And M1, play, pause, play again, next track, previous M3, and stop. FN layer, we have the FN here, select key to setup function. Okay, F1, backlight. So FN F1, changing backlight. And again you can choose FN and F2 for media, whatever you want. So many adjustments. It is an amazing software. You can do whatever you want. You can adjust your keyboard to your needs. Macros for keyboard and mouse. Start recording, stop recording, delete, add a new one, go to remap. You can create macros, so easy. And product settings, check for updates, disable, enable one of these for the game mode, and lighting again. Is a premium mechanical gaming keyboard designed to deliver a quiet and immersive typing experience. Be Quiet's expertise in acoustic engineering integrates advanced noise dampening technologies with high-quality components for demanding gamers and professionals. The light mount features a beautiful per-button ARGB lighting with curved diffusers, complemented by customizable LED bars on the top and sides for an immersive lighting experience, and translucent legends for durability and clarity. And that wraps up our review of the Be Quiet light mount keyboard. With its silent mechanical switches, 3 layers of sound dampening foam, and customizable per-key lighting, it offers a premium typing experience for both gamers and professionals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews and tips. If you're interested in picking up the Be Quiet light mount keyboard, I've left a link in the description below. Have you tried? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Thanks for watching, happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next one.